So we are living in UAE, right? So here, like, we need to screen ourselves for a COVID test every 1 month or every 7 days or every 3 days. It depends on different criteria. Okay, in my case, like, I already got COVID on July 10 to 15 around, maybe 12, July 12 around I got. And since I got COVID positive, and then after 3 to 4 times also I got positive again and again, and because of that I am getting exemption. So I need to wait for a few months. Okay, after that I can go for taking vaccine. So I'm unvaccinated and I got COVID, and naturally I get over from that. Okay, now I need to think of my exemption status. Okay, where we can check that? So you need to go to Alloson app. In that Alloson app you have details, right? You need to click that. So here you must always have green pass, which is mandatory here in UAE. So we can able to go anywhere around. We can go to malls and we can go anywhere. For example, in Dubai now we have Expo 2020, like that. So anywhere we can able to go. Okay. So again here in green pass, in left we also have one symbol. So there is vaccinated symbol, band. The symbol which is showing vaccination band, which means like I am having exemption. When I have exemption, I should not go to vaccine. So like this you can able to check your status and go for vaccine if you are unvaccinated people. Okay, this yesterday also I confirmed with supervisors who were present, who were there in PCR, free PCR test near Delmabad. They also confirmed, since your Alloson app showing exemption, so you need to wait until it go, and then after I can go for vaccine. So here also today I checked in information, in right in top corner we have information. Here we have the latest Alloson rules. So here I can able to see like fully vaccinated, exemption. In the second exemption they are putting any status fitting the exemption category. So that's why I can able to hold my PCR result for 7 days. So every 7 days I need to go for PCR test, so that it will be always green. Otherwise it will become grey color. So grey means PCR expired or unvaccinated. So like that it is. So everything we can able to see from the Alloson app itself, or you can able to discuss with the supervisors in PCR testing centers. See here I have green pass, and also we can able to see Expo 2020 Dubai pass, something like that. It will come automatically. You need to add pass. When you add this kind of passes into your Alloson app, you can able to visit this kind of public places without any hesitation. And then you can also be like vaccinated people. Since you are unvaccinated, no issue. Since you got exemption and also green pass, so everything in a legal manner, we can able to go anywhere. We can able to move around anywhere in this UAE. So here only we need to add pass. Any eligible passes, it will come here, and you need to click add pass, and you need to show this to the authority when you are entering into these places.